Hello, welcome to our channel. We get asked all the time which device works better between the Mini-Me and the Genio S Plus. So in this video, I will finally share our findings and our choice of which Dolce Gusto coffee maker works better. So first, let's talk about the hardware. On the Mini-Me, the machine is made of a hard plastic, while the Genio S is made of a thinner one. When it comes to functionality and features, the Genio S Plus obviously has a lot to offer. Since we bought the Genio S Plus, we honestly hardly use the Mini-Me anymore. For us, it is much easier to use and we like the temperature control. I also like the espresso boost function and the descaling alert. So it's already clear that the Genio S Plus works better for us. If you ask me which of these two coffee makers is better, of course the Mini-Me still works great. Like one of the commenters who bought it, he said that the Mini-Me is more robust, and I agree with him because the quality of its build, I think, and the reason why it is a bit heavier than the Genio S Plus. So if you want a coffee maker that you can have a quick coffee with and not worry about the water temperature, then the Mini-Me is a good one. If you only drink coffee once in a while and want a portable coffee machine for quick coffee, then this machine is good. So just a tip, if you use the temperature control on the Genio S Plus, you need to select the temperature you want once you turn it on. Otherwise, if you turn it on and it's set to red, which is the hottest, then even if you turn it back to cold, or orange or yellow, it would still be a hot coffee. Also, if you want your coffee cold, the cold selection is not really cold like ice cold. It's like a normal water temperature. We still add ice cubes, of course, if we want an iced coffee. So last but not the least, the Genio S Plus water tank is easier to clean and refill. You can check our video here on how to do that. So I think that's it for this video. I hope this will be helpful to anyone who's thinking of buying a Mini-Me and Genio S Plus. But be sure to check out other coffee machines so you'll find the perfect one for your home. So thanks guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye and have a good day. See you on our next video.